Right, we are ready to eat, and amidst much talk and wait, let us wait no longer on a taste of fusion on Eid. I say when I am sitting beside the beautiful Alma Sheikh. Thank you so much, my darling. And you're looking beautiful with the churi.
With the churi.
But
Eid Mubarak, everyone.
Oh, but I have to introduce everyone. We have the fantastic and flamboyant Fakhir over here, who has been quizzing me on all types of food-related issues, which I shall...
Yeah, it is. Eid Mubarak to everyone.
And here we have the very talented Ali Khan. Thank you so much for joining us.
No problem.
Now I'm going to serve everyone. And I'm going to start off with the fantastic killer risotto thing that I've made.
Risotto thing?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. And as we... It's risotto.
Looks good.
With this fantastic... Well, I basically made a mushroom risotto. Yeah?
Looks mouth-watering.
Oh.
At least it looks
So that's plum in there?
There's plum, there's peach, there's a little carrot, a little, onion, and then some garlic ginger. May I have your plate?
Yeah.
Please. Sorry, I can't reach across. No problem. And we are very informal here on...
Informal.
Thank you.
Great. All right.
Should we dig in?
Yeah, dig in.
Oh, go for it. Fresh plum. Yeah.
Poppy, it's sinfully delicious.
Hoi.
It is, but it's very rich at the same time.
Oh, yeah, but that's because of risotto in itself, in essence. Now, technically, risotto is cooked with stock. Today, I've just used water to
Thank
try
you.
and... Oh.
Thank you so much, and actually that was a request of mine.
Oh, yes,
Not
it
use
was.
chicken stock or stock of any meat.
I have to say that today I was challenged, truly challenged, and I've hopefully risen up
Thank
to
you,
it.
this is really delicious. Can I have a takeaway, please?
Absolutely.
This is so good.
Just the addition of plum in this is just amazing.
Oh,
Is that like your own little twist?
That's
well,
what...
everything is your own little twist.
What I love doing is doing the fusion of fruit with everything, fruit and savory together. All right, now I'm going to... Fakhir, I'm going to give you some of this pasta.
Please, yes,
because this,
thank you.
Again, was
You know
a
what,
challenge.
each time I used to watch your show, I was itching to come to your show.
Oh.
Yeah, seriously.
Oh, you guys, come
seriously.
on. That's
Had you not invited me, I would have called you myself. Bulao mujhe yaar.
Oi. Anytime and every time. You're welcome every time. Now, Chana, this is a curry pasta. It's got everything that you would technically have in a curry. Ready? Please. And I'm sorry again, it'll be a tad bit cold because we are sitting out here enjoying the glorious weather.
It's all good.
Oh, yeah. But that's cool. Sorry. Thank you.
This pasta is 2 thumbs up as well.
2 thumbs up I get.
This one is 2 thumbs up. It's really good. Very, very nice.
Is it interesting?
You got great taste in your hands, man. Yeah.
What all does this have in it?
Well, it has a little...
The curry masala.
No, it doesn't have just curry masala, but I used a little chili pickle or hari mirch ka achar, and I mixed it in. Yeah.
There's achar in
There's
it?
achar.
You can tell.
Yeah, the mustard
Now
oil
you can
and a
tell. Now
flavor,
that
no?
you've said.
Yeah. So you get through, and it's a variety of flavor, hopefully, that comes through over a period of time.
So fusion cooking is all about khichdi? Or it's all about putting a bit of everything?
No, that's a brilliant way to describe it, quite a bit. It's actually just the merging of different flavors together and finding that complete and proper balance.
I like the fact that you've used anar as your...
Yaar, ye jo tumhara risotto hai na, I can devour the entire pura dish, but it's too fattening.
But you know what, Fakhir, I promise I'll try and make a diet version of it for you. Yeah, I'm sure I could do it. Now, my dear, this is meat. This is a marmalade roast.
Seriously, yeah. What a treat.
It's a marmalade lamb.
It's amazing. What? Okay, detail.
Chili, salt, cumin, coriander powder, rubbed into the lamb, and then a bottle of marmalade. Put it onto the lamb. Put it in the oven. Under the grill. All right, Ali, what's your take on the lamb?
Too good.
Okay, now my meat eaters. This is the fusion, the chicken infusion. It's basically Southeast Asian flavors. Again, cold, sir.
Yeah.
But it tastes great cold. It's actually, you know,
does.
I'm not missing it being hot or anything.
Yeah, it doesn't affect it one bit.
Wait, Ali, just give me a plate for 1 second. Let me give you some of the stuff and not. Maybe this will cut that chili flavor for you. Oops, sorry.
Can I have a little more pasta, please? Yeah.
Of course.
I've realized one thing. Well, whilst you're enjoying good food,
Yeah.
you can't complain about the calories and all.
Yeah, you can't. You're right.
You can't. You just
Dig in, I say.
yeah, you enjoy the food because all good things are either fattening or married to others.
Oh, beautiful.
That's a good one.
I think it's all fantastic that we've all been able to get together on Eid and truly, you know, enjoy it, I say.
Yeah, while our family is envious of us.
Of course, and that's the way there should be because
Hey, don't worry about it. We're gonna take leftovers back home.
And eat with calories, rather, so you really can't. 3 days of Eid
yeah.
is all about how many.
Yeah, let me tell you, we only talk about calories. Since we talk about them, it's sort of a counseling, self-counseling.
Yeah, it is.
And then invariably, in the end, you end up eating all of that.
Absolutely.
Then you slog at the gym tomorrow, so it will work out fine.
And
Because sometimes it's brilliant food.
Thank you, thank you.
If it was only for the show, I would have had a nibble or two and that's it. But I'm thoroughly enjoying my food.
Well, it's time for dessert.
Yes,
Is it
ma'am.
really?
I'm
Yes,
waiting
it
for
is.
that moment.
All right, let's. All right, now this is an ode to the Savaiya. It is truly and utterly sinful and
I'm sure. And
full of a billion
I'm not going to
calories.
wait for your shapil to end. I'll start eating.
I love you, Fateh.
Quite a character, man.
This is really, really good. Okay, the samaya have been fried. They have been? Yeah. Yeah, the pista in there.
I
as
just
well,
want to eat.
pistachios.
I seriously, I don't want to know क्या है इसमें क्या नहीं है. I just want to eat. Yeah.
Oh,
So good.
everything has been cooked in one pot. Everything together.
It's to die for. It is. And gonna have like 2-3 extra miles tomorrow. But still. You like it? Good morning.
Deserves a moment of silence from everyone.
Oh my God. I think I'm blushing. I think my ears are going red.
Very nice.
Very nice.
Someone stop me, please.
Stop, enough, enough, enough. All right, guys, thank you so much for joining us on this fantastic Taste of Fusion Eat special. Thank you to all my guests for making it truly, truly memorable. Remember, if you want to see me fuse something or have any comments, write in on fusion@dawnnews.tv. From myself and my fabulous friends, take care. Eid Mubarak to you all.
Eid Mubarak.
Now we can all kill Ali.
Go back.